How's it going, guys? So today I'm changing the thermostat in my 2013 Dodge Challenger 5.7 RT. I'm putting the speedlogix 180 degree thermostat. It was my tuner that suggested that I get a 180 degree thermostat. I have long tube headers, which are Dynatech with high flow cats, and an intake from AFE Power Stage 2 intake. And as I was saying, my tuner from Hemi Fever suggested that I get a 180 thermostat, so I'm about to do an install on it right now. So every install I see, so right here is where the thermostat is. Every install that I've seen, people just put some like rags under it and then a gallon Ziploc bag right under, because the coolant is gonna drop down onto the engine and the belt. So this will help catch it so I can fill this up and then fill my coolant tank back up. So I got my two little rags there, and I'm gonna open this and position it right under there. So you're gonna get your 13 with an extender. You're gonna take off both these bolts. So after you get the bolts pretty well loosened, you're gonna take them off real slowly and gently. Make sure this connection doesn't get taken apart until you have both bolts out. And then lift this hose up so not much coolant falls out. And then the thermostat's gonna be exposed right in here. So now both bolts are off, and I'm gonna take the hose off. And also, I forgot to mention, while you're at it, take this sensor out. So whenever I take this tube off, I put a bungee cord right here, so I can just put this tube and wrap it around there so it's taut and out of the way. So, seen right here, put the bungee cord on there and exposes the thermostat. One more thing I forgot to mention, so these thermostats have a vent tube, which this one is right up there. You wanna make sure that's facing up, just like how that vent tube's right there on the top of that. So while doing it, mine was stuck on there really, really hard. The OEM one. This is a 203 degree thermostat. There's a new one put in. So now I'm just gonna attach this hose to the new thermostat and put the rest of this coolant in there, and we'll be good to go. Just gonna push down, turn, and it'll come out. So after that, just plug that sensor back in. Fuck. Well, I've been checking to see if it's been leaking or not, and it's been good. So this concludes on putting a 180 degree thermostat in your 5.7 liter Hemi Challenger.